Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Alan. I am entering my fourth year right now of medical school, and I know a lot of you are preparing for CBSE and Step, so I just wanted to share some of my tips and tricks for studying for these exams. First tip I would give is to make sure that you're taking NBME forms. This is extremely important whether you are preparing for CBSE or for Step, as preparing for either of them is actually preparing for both of them. Because NBME writes both CBSE and Step 1, it's very important that you're taking these NBME forms. That brings me to tip number two, which is try to simulate the actual environment of the exam. So when you are taking these NBME forms online, try to make sure that you get a good night's rest and that you start in a very similar time the next morning that you typically will actually start, that you're taking the appropriate breaks. Tip number three would be to make sure that you have a healthy balance between content review and taking multiple choice questions. It is very important to mix the two together because content review will kind of keep you up to date with more detailed information regarding content. And then by taking the questions, it gives you more holistic perspective of where you currently are at with the status of your learning. And those are my top three tips and tricks for you all to excel not only in your qualifying exam, but also for step one. Good luck and happy summer.